This is a review of the SENZER CS330 Bluetooth speaker that I'm going to be doing an unboxing on. And in this review as well too, we're going to show you guys what you get inside this pack and show you guys everything about the speaker and, show you guys how it is and how you mount, turn it on. So yeah, without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so we got everything out of the package, and this is the speaker itself. And I do want to say that the quality of this, it looks super high quality, really amazing. I love how the speakers are, and pretty much not just that, but it is LED dynamic. It comes with some LEDs, so it pretty much changes like rainbow colors, RGB. It does a lot of cool stuff like that, so you can, it changes the colors as you play the music. And this does work for your PC, and not just for your PC, but also for your Mac as well too. So you got it for your PC and both for your Mac. And it comes with this one wire right over here that all you have to do is just plug it into your PC or your Mac. So I'm going to pretty much plug this into my Mac and show you guys how exactly it lights up and turns on. But yeah, it comes with the instructions if you get lost or anything like that. So it comes with that and pretty much with this as well. But yeah, let me go hook this up to the laptop and show you guys how it exactly looks like. Okay, so I've plugged into my MacBook Pro, and you can see here the LED dynamic RGB colors. You can see on the bottom of here, they're illuminated and they pretty much change colors. I could pretty much close the lights and show you guys a little better results of it. So you can see right over there, right here, you can see on the bottom of it. And not just that, but you could also change the color. So you can have like a solid green. You can have it like a pretty much, red. You can have, different solid colors, but then also you could go back and have rainbow. And I just tested the speakers out, and so far they are, from what I thought, they are really high quality. And, a small compact size speaker, you wouldn't expect, it'll pack a big punch into the music and the bass, but it does, for a small size, for what this thing is, a small compact size, it really, the music, it has like a crispy tone to it. It's pretty loud. And overall, it does have a good significant amount of bass. So that is one thing that I was very amazed and surprised about. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these, this speaker because of the fact that it really is loud. It has that crispy tone to it. And overall, it has that bass, which you wouldn't expect into a small compact speaker size just like this. So yeah, I would definitely recommend the speaker if you're looking for a speaker for your, for your home, or for your MacBook, and you're wanting to play like a movie on your for your pretty much on your computer, or for any PC or a MacBook or anything you have, then this speaker I would definitely recommend because it has that quality tone sound, and it just sounds very nice when you have it on full full volume. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this product.